Hello guys, and today I'll be answering a popular question. Is 256 GB of memory enough on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra? Let's find out. But don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, is it enough? Well, it really depends on how you use your phone. While 256 GB is a great option for most users, the S24 Ultra can actually go all the way up to 1 TB if you need more space. If you are the type who loves storing tons of high-res photos, videos, or big apps like me, for example, you might want to think about the larger storage options. Because I currently have 22K photos, and 256 GB are not enough for this, to be honest. But for most people, this option will do the trick just fine. For more details, you can check the Samsung website or the user manual which comes with this device. So that was all for now. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.